Barefoot walking, thinking just of you. Radio playing that old island tune. Heartbeat moving like a bassline groove. No stress, no worries on my mind. Leave all the problems far behind. Tonight we dancing till the morning light. Under palm trees, everything feels right. Slow it down, feel the rhythm inside. Every little step, just enjoy the ride. Island vibes, let the music play. Reggae sound, make the pain fade away. From the sea to the sky so high, we gon' live, we gon' love. Island vibes, feel it in your soul. Good times, only let the bad times go. Hands in the air, sway side to side. Forever young on these island vibes. Oh, island vibes. Brown skin shining in the summer sun. Laugh so loud, yeah, we having fun. Cold drink sweating in my hand. Living life slow, island man. Old guitar by the firelight. Stories and jokes till late at night. Family love, yeah, that's my pride. That's how we live on the island side. No rush now, take it easy. Island life moving smooth and breezy. Whoa, whoa. Island vibes, let the music play. Reggae sound, make the pain fade away. From the sea to the sky so high, we gon' live, we gon' love. Island vibes, feel it in your soul. Good times, only let the bad times go. Hands in the air, sway side to side. Forever young on these island vibes. Oh, island vibes. If the world feels heavy on your mind, come back home, leave it all behind. Heartbeat, drum, and a reggae line. Everything good when the stars align. Island vibes, hear the people sing. Every little moment is a blessing. From the roots to the modern times, one love living on